We are reinventing ThinQ App from a control interface to a digital platform for ever-growing range of services and solutions. From an app serving appliances to appliance serving an open platform for lifestyle innovation. And the most important thing about this idea is to be an open and collaborative ecosystem where we engage with an expanding network of partners to make things more accessible, more convenient, and more useful for our customers. For example, we're going to work with leading food brands like Nestle and Kraft Heinz. So you can purchase their products. When your orders arrive, you can use Scan to Cook to have your kitchen appliances configured with the right cooking setting for what you're about to cook. So you get that healthy, delicious meal with far less time and far less stress. Moving home? Call for home advisor assistance on ThinQ App, and they'll make sure your appliances are all ready to go at your new home. Just a few examples where ThinQ App as an intelligent lifestyle platform will bring a whole new range of services and solutions to help you get more out of your LG products. And of course, this is only the beginning. We'll be adding more partners and services to ThinQ ecosystem over the course of this year. So please, do keep an eye on your ThinQ app